Today we're going to be looking at the top 3 tips for URP users, starting off with number 1, fog. Fog in Unity has always been a bit particular. In URP, using the built-in fog only adds fog to the objects in the scene, but not on the skybox around them. There are 2 ways I've learned to fix this. The first way is to change the color of your skybox to match the color of the fog. The second way requires you to make a big sphere with a semi-transparent material the color of the fog. Scale it up until it covers the area you want to be foggy, and flip the normals of the sphere to make them face inwards. To flip the sphere's normals, you can either use Pro Builder, which I would recommend just because it's faster and a lot simpler, or you can make your own custom sphere, then flip the normals in Blender. All you have to do afterwards is export it into an FBX file and drag that into Unity. Overall, it's a super simple fix for a problem that a lot of people have been having and are not too sure how to fix. You may have noticed that when you try and have more than 4 to 5 point lights on a single object, you get this weird flickering. That's because Unity's forward rendering only allows a maximum of 9 point lights on a single object at once. By default, it's limited to 4, so you can max it out by going to your URP asset, scrolling down to the lighting section, and changing the per object limit from 4 to 9. This is only a temporary fix though. If you want to be able to have more than 9 point lights on a single object, I recommend you have a script that only enables lights that are within a certain radius from the player, and disables the ones that are farther away. That way, you can practically avoid flickering altogether. Another fix for this is to divide your map into several parts, so that you never have to face the per object limit. Unity is working on a fix for this, with a new deferred rendering path. Currently, URP only has the forward rendering path, which limits the amount of active lights you can have on an object, whereas the deferred rendering path does not. However, it's still in development and we'll probably have to wait a bit longer before we can get our hands on that. If you've noticed that your URP project has been running slow, other than changing the quality settings, which you should definitely do before moving forward, you can change your lighting color space to gamma. By default, URP sets it to linear, which looks nicer and is slightly more accurate, but it's nowhere near as performant as gamma. So if you want to try and squeeze that extra 30 to 40 frames, I recommend you give gamma a try. To switch, go to Edit, Project Settings, Player, then scroll down to where it says Color Space and switch it from linear to gamma. Here's the bonus tip. The final tip is to join my Discord server. We have lots of support over there, and some people who know URP inside and out and would love to help you out. If you have any questions, make sure to join the server and we'll do our best to help you out. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.